Hi, this is Steve from yourcreativelife.com, talking today about your writing life and what is holding you back. I've been coaching artists since 2008, worked with thousands of people, reached thousands of people. And now that I am focused on the world of writing as a TV writer, a playwright, and a writing coach, I've been seeing the same issues plague writer after writer, person who comes to me after person who comes to me. And these are the things that are holding you back in your writing life. Things like the state of the industry. What do you do about that? Perhaps your own attitude about your work, about the chances, about the possibilities. Sometimes what's holding you back is your own writing practice, the lack of it, the disorganization of it, how hard it is to schedule, how hard it is to show up, and what your consistency level is. And also, many of you are daunted by networking. How do you reach people? How do you talk to people? How do you connect with people? How do you do that over and over again? And is it all about asking for stuff? And some of you are struggling with goal setting. How do you, in this crazy industry, decide what it is you're going to look for, what you're going to go for, what's realistic, what's possible, how to do that in a really good way? So I've created this 6 session workshop called What's Holding You Back in Your Writing Life to explore these things. And we are week after week going to hit each of the things that I just spoke about and tackle it with all sorts of proven methods that can help you and will, I believe, help you move ahead in your writing life. We'll explore things like research and how researching people, places, industry trends, and organizations can help you. We'll talk about journaling and how being in touch with yourself and your own desires for the industry are useful tools in helping you get ahead. We'll talk about envisioning positive outcomes. We'll talk about encouragement, how to encourage yourself and your peers. We'll talk about accountability, how to make sure you're showing up in the ways that you say you want to and that you say you will. And we'll also talk about clear goal setting. And we will brainstorm all sorts of other things in between in this 6 week intensive session on Zoom that anybody can participate in across the country. This is going to be a really powerful opportunity to get a lot of your ducks in the row so that you can move those things out of the way and make clear, strong, powerful, professional progress in your writing life. So please join me in this amazing workshop, What's Holding You Back in Your Writing Life, 6 weeks. You can find out all about it on my website. Go to yourcreativelife.com and look for What's Holding Me Back, What's Holding You Back in Your Writing Life. Click on that link, find out all the details. The class starts October 10th, and you don't want to miss it. So sign up for What's Holding You Back in Your Writing Life and join me to move some of those obstacles out of the way. Thanks.